Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change a blog post URL in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to your website, click on Edit Website. And this is my website in Hostinger website builder. And first, let's give it a visit. And this is the blog section. And on this blog, for example, I have these 10 amazing places to visit in Dubai. And if I give it a visit, this is the current URL. Let's see how to change this blog post URL or link. So how to do this? Click on blog. And next to the blog post that you want to edit its link, click on these three dots and select post URL. You will see this window. Here below post URL, you will see the current link, and let's edit it, for example, from 10 amazing places to visit in Dubai. Let's go with Dubai guide. Click on save, and don't forget to update your website to publish this blog post URL change. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to blog, open the same blog post, and as you see, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to blog, open the same blog post, and as you see, why it is not changed. Let's refresh this page, and as you see, now it is updated. I think it requires a little bit of time to show up alive. This was the old URL, and this is the current one. And this is how to change a blog post link in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. By the way, let's see how to change a blog post URL while still editing or writing your blog post. So same thing, go to blog, open here. Instead of clicking on these three dots, open the blog post. And now go to post settings, and you will land on the same window, and you can update the blog post URL from here. Same thing, click on update and wait a moment. And this is how to update or change your blog post URL in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.